Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Rakhe ka Frank Yamaha khatn reus nem ya ka jing shakri ka jongka. Baden ais ngo bha sha baro kinong thi thuk thuk. Ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali ki laptop. Kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hoteri unai lur 8000 pusau.
I pledge to join hands. With others to help. Fight against rabies. I commit to work together. And make a difference. I pledge to care my pets. By treating them with kindness. And respect.
Ka District Veterinary Office rengkat ke jing itrai lang bat ka kenhon ginong ai jing Sumar jang ka Office District Medical and Health Officer Ribhoi District. Kala rakhi ya ka World Rabies Week. Kabala sedang nado ka arpulai tarik unai lor arajar arpusau bat ya ka baon sapunkut hadu ka arpu pratarik unai lor arajar arpusau halor ka phang breaking rabies boundaries. Kumshi benta jong kani kajing rakhi lapan long ya kajing pensai paj ba ha St. Paul's Higher Secondary School nongpo da kajing sakhi lang jong Dr. F. Nongdhar uba mi khmat ya ka Meghalaya Veterinary Services Association Ribhoi District Unit rengkat baru Dr. Benjamin C.H. Momin u Medical Officer jong ka DMHO bat ki kena school.
We came here because this whole week, right from 23rd of September till the 28th of September, we are celebrating the World Rabies Week for this year 2024. So I myself, on behalf of the Meghalaya Veterinary Services Association, Ribhoi District Unit, would like to raise awareness regarding the rabies because globally, these rabies have been infected so many people. I think all of you knows about this. So why we raise awareness also regarding this? Because to mark the 10th anniversary of Louis Pasteur, I think some of you might know who is Louis Pasteur. He is a French chemist and he is the first person who discovered the vaccine rabies. So, with this year also we have the theme, and this theme for this year 2024 it is breaking rabies boundaries. So with the theme itself, I think you understand that breaking rabies boundaries means we need to unite all the students and everyone present here, along with the stakeholders, the Nambashlam, so many organizations present in our state. We can work together to eliminate this rabies. So, why this rabies is so important? Because it is a zoonotic disease which can infect from animals to human being or from human being to human being. So this year also, like what I said, the theme is breaking rabies boundaries. So if we work together, we vaccinate our pets, we vaccinate the stray dogs, we vaccinate all animals, especially the warm-blooded animals, we can eradicate this rabies by 2030. So maybe by 2030 there will be zero human death if all of us are working together. Rabies is a viral infected disease, or what I can say is a zoonotic disease, which can infect from dog to human through bites, maybe or through licking. Maybe if you have some bite in your body part, maybe in the leg or in the hand region, then if you try to give your hand licking by any rabid dogs or any cat infected with rabies, then you might get the rabies. Because all over India, every 2 seconds human being is being bitten by a rabid dog. And India alone, people die from rabies, 20,000 every year die from rabies. So the only prevention which I can say at this onset is through vaccination. So try to vaccinate your pets, try to vaccinate your dogs and cats. We are giving free vaccines in a veterinary dispensary. You can come in any part of the dispensary here. We have so many dispensaries in the Ribhoi district, but you can vaccinate your dog right from 3 months onwards.
Rabies is a viral disease which can be transmitted from animal to animal or animal to human. usually occurs in mammals, warm-blooded animals. From animals to human, it occurs in the form of bites or leaks in open wounds or mucous membranes such as eyes or the mouth. And then we have to take care every time we suspect any bite or leak on the wound by any animal at all. We should always wash the wound first 15 minutes with soap, water, or any other detergent or antiseptic solution that you have. Right? Dettol will all be having Dettol back home, right? So we can just run open water, and then after that you have to take this step. You should get medical treatment. You should always go to after getting a bite. You should always go see a doctor so that you can get vaccinated. Rabies is a deadly disease. Once the symptoms starts, the patient is almost guaranteed to die. So before that, before the symptoms sets in, you should always get vaccinated. 2 weeks to 12 weeks. Usually, the closer it is to your head, the faster the symptom appears. If it is bitten on the leg, it might appear later on when the bite is on the hand. So always take care. Even if the animal or the dog, cats, whatever it may be, even if they lick your mouth, it exposes your membranes to their saliva, which may be infected with this rabies virus. So always I cannot stress this enough. If any open wound leak, even just leak on the mouth or in the eyes, please seek medical attention.